Man shot dead on 100 lane. JUTC bus shot at on Walton Park Road. Man stabbed to death at a bus park in Halfway Tree. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A man was shot and killed on 100 lane off Red Hills Road in St&Bbed on Friday afternoon. It is understood that there was a shootout between rival gunmen that started on Red Hills Road and continued on 100 lane. More details to come following further investigation. The police are investigating an incident where a Jamaica Urban Transit Company bus was reportedly shot at on Friday morning on Walton Park Road in Kingston. The company made the disclosure on Twitter, adding that no one was injured in the incident. A man was fatally stabbed in Halfway Tree, St&Bbed on Friday morning. It is believed that he was killed during an altercation about 5 a.m. More details to come following further investigations.